All right. Hey guys, time to make the big shake. As usual, I already got stuff already pre-prepared. 100 grams of oats already blended. We got our 3 frozen bananas. Right. We have our frozen fruits, frozen berries. It's gonna be 140 grams. I'm gonna put more. There seems to be a lot of ice in here. A lot of ice. Get this one open. Better. Okay. Wow. It's gonna be real fruity. I put it to 282 grams of frozen berries. I have no spinach today. I ran out. I was supposed to buy kale. I gotta do a quick little grocery shopping today. Okay, let's get our peanut butter. 45 grams. Should be more than enough. 31. $44, real close. Okay. 150 grams of yogurt. So the other day, yesterday, I didn't have a shake. And I'm telling you, when you're bulking, the shake is a staple. I spent all last night just trying to complete my calorie budget. And when you see what I had to eat, you'll be like, man, it's better just to have the shake. I was trying to finish this, but 171. Yeah, as I was saying, it's just better to have the shake because trying to make up for those calories by having meals and snacks, it's just too much. The shake takes a big chunk out of the daily calorie budget, so have it every day. It's good for you. Need some ginger in here. And just a tiny piece of turmeric. Okay, ready to go. Turmeric and ginger. 700 milliliters water. Missing the leafy greens today. All right, let's blend this down. Okay, shake blended. I went out yesterday and just bought a new bottle. bottles are nice. They keep your shake cold for long periods of time. Icy. 1 bottle, 2 bottle. Oop, my bad. Man, that is beautiful. The texture and the color. Berry-tastic. 1 shake. 2 shake. And there we have it. Shake complete. It's the back day. See you in the next video.